We're building our Samoan statements in this series of 10 videos. This is video number 6. What happens when you get two subjects in a statement and one action? One subject is doing the action and the other one is receiving the action. We know from video 1 through 5 that Samoan sentence structure is typically tense, action, and then the subject. If we say the girl is reading, our tense is current and it's happening right now. So olo'o, that's the olo'o tense marker. Our action is to read or faitau. So if we combine olo'o faitau, that means reading. Who's doing the action of reading? The girl, or letene. So olo'o faitau letene. But what happens when we add another subject? The book, or letusi. Olo'o faitau letene letusi. Now we have one subject that's doing the action and the other subject is receiving the action. Now, is the girl reading the book or is the book reading the girl? Of course, letene, or the girl, is the one that's doing the action. So in this statement, we're going to mark the doer of the action with the e. Olo'o faitau e letene letusi. And because we've marked the doer with the e, we can also say olo'o faitau letusi e letene. The 8-week Mato Samoan language Zoom class begins January 24th. Sign up at pacificapages.net.